How do we start a Cessna 172 like the one behind me? Follow me, I'll show you. So we'll use a checklist for starting an engine, and that's how it goes. The mixture, go full rich. The carburetor heat is cold. The master switch is on. The beacon light is on. We will prime it 1 to 3 times. Now the engine is warm, so we're only going to do couples. Make sure it's locked. Throttle open 1/8 of an inch, so just a little bit. Propeller area is clear, no one is nearby. And the ignition switch go to start. Clear, bro!